Amazon today announced Echo Auto, an accessory for the car that allows you to integrate Alexa in your car. There are a couple of ways that customers can already access Alexa in the car. You can download an Alexa application, buy accessories or even a Moto mod, or drive cars with the integrated software. But Echo Auto makes it much easier to integrate Alexa into any car, regardless of whether your car manufacturer included it or not. The Echo Auto features the same 8-microphone array as the Echo Show, and can be connected to your car via Bluetooth, Bluetooth LE or a 3.5mm auxiliary connector. It comes with a dash mount and runs on a new Amazon real-time operating system. And for connectivity, it connects to your phone for a connection back to the cloud. You can also use your phone as a screen for things like navigating the car through services like Google Maps. The Echo Auto will eventually cost $49.99, although Amazon will offer it at a discounted invitation price of $24.99 for initial users.